All right, welcome back, and we still day on top of the Good Morning Nigeria show. Beautiful Monday morning. Hope so you enjoyed the show. Catch us online right now, www.wazobiamax.ng/ph. Make you also drop all your comments on top of our social media pages, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at WazobiaMaxPH. Welcome to our top story this morning. And today, we want to talk about why Nigerians, they plan to leave Nigeria too much. Well, a lot of people, why even know they get plans every day to leave Nigeria. Well, they could say the system not the work, we not get any provision after school, a lot of excuses, fine and good. But how did they also treat us when we leave that place? It did very okay. The means to even get there, it did very easy. No, we did go through a lot of stress. Very recently now, they don't come stop a particular visa waiver. We're going to make a lot of Nigerians travel to America, especially in the United States of America, for 90 days. Now, the president of the United States, Trump, he put this one out on social media. A lot of people come, they talk, say, why? So this morning, we will talk about a lot of reasons why people want to leave Nigeria first, and see the implications of this visa, U.S. visa waiver program where they don't suspend for now. And of course, we're going to do this one on our own because we know, say, you, Seb, go like to chook my put. So anytime, Rich, we go open the phone lines for you, and then you tell us what you think about this one. Now, the genesis of everything, like I start now about the system when they work, people go tell you, say, no job, the educational system when they work, health sector, no, they work. Now, they want travel, come out first. They hope, say, it is greener on the other side, okay? And it's not always greener on the other side. All right, so Muku, first of all, what do you think about the whole thing?
Well, I feel, say, many Nigerians, just as you talk, and they search for greener pasture. People believe, say, man, for the other side, things better. And most times now, because of waiting with this.
Okay.
Waiting these people, they paint for us as picture. Okay. When you go online, you see your friends with the US, you see, like yesterday, yesterday I saw one of my friend where he be in Nigeria for years, studied geology for the University of Benin. Okay. He can't travel, he don't stay like, after 6 years, he can't go abroad to go do a master's. Now, yesterday, I be the valedictorian for university. I give that speech. Now, as a Nigerian, you can send me links to blogs, newspapers where you write about him. If you see the nice things where they write about this guy, or how this guy gets leadership spirit, how this guy na person, we say, if he coordinates things around them. When they won't talk about when he been in Nigeria, you need to see the negative things that they've been talking about when he been in Nigeria, about how the system no dey good, when, because of the way lecturers they behave, you don't get the best of results, but that same person go there now, they thrive, you know, that kind of thing. If person see that kind of post, they go believe, say, man, I feel make them outside this country. A lot of people believe, say, life would be better for them if they been grow outside Nigeria. People believe, say, now because of the way system take day for here, that make things not they work. So I don't feel blame person way decide say you want travel, you want leave Nigeria. But then again, they say if we don't build our own, who will help us build them?
Very true.
Just before, as you start to talk about this, if they do the intro, I just can't Google something out.
Okay.
And I can't see one publication way down to Punch newspaper. This one will shock you now.
Okay.
As Czech Republic, they make this publication on the 18th of January this year. Czech Republic, they don't set up one new program, and they won't use them encourage people from other countries to enter their country.
Oh, wow.
Yes. So now that they give Nigerians 937,000 naira to leave Nigeria, go Czech Republic, and you go promise them, say, you know, go come back Nigeria again.
Ever?
Yeah.
Hell, not to shout them. Maybe people not to hear. I just never hear. I say they don't hear. Our viewers, plenty of them for no day again. But it
on top punching
is very crazy. Oh, it is very crazy. When would they talk like, it be like say they easy. People full road. They won't leave this country. People full road. Where if you say, all hope is gone. Nigeria not get anything else to offer. But it is very wrong. Now we'll come back to the whole issue of the U.S. Travel visa waiver, where they don't suspend, they don't really cancel them. Now, before now, we already know, say, if you get United States of America visa and you want to renew them, you don't even need to even go to the embassy. All you need to do, just make it just put them for inside DHL, make you Dropbox them through DHL, send them go, they go renew them for you. But recently, they don't talk, say that one, they don't buff them. They don't F that one, they don't suspend that one. Now, waiting waiver mean too, for people who don't really understand, waiver means, say, you're going to need to travel, go these countries without a visa. And they spend for like 90 days. Man, say they go visit your family friend. If you stay 90 days, that's like 3 months. But if you want to extend them, you're going to need to get a visa. So they don't stop that policy for now. Now, the reason why they put out this one, you know, say, Igbo people, they take work with our brain. They go tell us now, say, this is the reason, but we, and even inside their mind, they know the reason. They talk to one of the reasons now to provide more efficient customer service, now to serve us better. Now, so they see the people that they go inside. So before you go come now, not be till they come send them through DHL. They're going to need to do interview.
Come in person. They're going to interview you
with
again.
you, exactly, on all of that one. And then also to promote legitimate travel. Now, when they say legitimate travel, if let's say people don't travel for wrong reason, people don't travel for really, I say wrong reason, yes.
Just anyhow, for
because
whatever
it's easy to travel.
Okay.
People don't travel, you understand? So all of these issues, now a lot of people they talk about, and I get my reservations already.
For me, about the whole waiver thing, and the fact say now you go need to go embassy to renew your visa, I feel that just ways to reduce the way Nigerians they enter their country. You understand? Because already, for the first timer, you need to see how Nigerians they pray when they go embassy, say they won't go do interview to get visa. You need to see that fear. You need to see the rehearsal when Nigerians they do. When you come reach, you need to see the crowd of people when they did there. You need to see how they believe say that person when they interview them, now you hold their destiny at that point in time. Now imagine say you don't go through them the first time. Now you won't come renew your visa. You're going to go through that same process again. Only you will always, man, I know fit. You just drop your passport. Say, okay, I know they go get money for Nigeria. Now the way we take steps, they want to discourage the amount of Nigerians when they come to their country. We don't look the case of Dubai. Nigerians when they go to Dubai, we don't see we don't hear stories, we don't see videos. How people they go there, they go do menial jobs. Jobs even for Nigeria for here, they no go agree do them.
Very true.
So sometimes this is a problem of how they even see the country. Because these same things we don't hear cases of people who travel abroad and they go wash cups. People where they travel
go wash cups, as in dead body.
Dead body. People they don't travel abroad, their work. I know. Okay, when the whole Libya thing been happen, at least I've been following the story a little bit. Okay. So we go airports, go meet with some of them. One of the ladies tell me say, I work for there now wall where she dey scrub
every morning to night.
Morning till night. They scrub wall. Say they like make their walls they very clean, white. So now our own job is that they clean the glass, they scrub the wall. Say if you scrub wall for like 10 hours.
Okay, but the pay for the scrubbing of the wall, how much?
If you convert them to Nigerian, if you convert them to our naira for here, now about 100,000 naira.
For a month or for 1 hour?
For a month, about 100,000.
For where? Where it is?
For Libya.
For Libya.
Yes.
For
now,
Libya,
the problem now with that particular case, now say from what she tell me, say even after they don't pay you like that, say once you don't they save the money after like 6 months, they'll come break your box, collect the money back again.
Oh,
so you start to work again from afresh. You understand?
I even hear recently somebody for inside our office, we talk to us about a friend. This one day, I think she did United Arab Emirates, she did Dubai, all of those places. Now you can't talk say how she take go there, be say she contracts to the people, say, I go work for you. Be like the story of Leah and Jacob for inside Bible, where the father say, you want to marry my daughter? Okay, go work for 7 years. Now the agreement, we say she go work for at least 10 years. For the 10 years, nothing go be her own. She go just serve the people, we carry her go
just
Dubai,
to leave Nigeria.
Just to leave Nigeria. And not be a new thing. I know say even the government, they know about this thing. They know say we get health tourism, we get education tourism, we get tourism.
Yeah.
We get tourism. People they go, they don't want to come back again.
Yeah.
If they funny now, but
stay tourism.
Just stay tourism. You know, people don't go there and they do so many heinous crimes. I mean, very, very bad things just to sustain themselves because the system again don't fail them.
Now we also agree say. We get Nigerians, we don't go there, and they do so well. When those people been there in Nigeria for years, things been there very rough for them. When they go, they be like, say, man, everything just turn around. So we're not going to remove that fact. But if we weigh them, where actually way they easier to succeed or to make life better for yourself. 4 lines go they open now so that you go contribute to this thing what they talk about. Why you feel say Nigerians at the easiest opportunity where they get, they won't leave Nigeria. And most times, many of them don't even come back to the country. If you're seeing a problem of the government, if you're seeing a problem of security, if you're seeing a problem of say we don't get the opportunities, or say we don't get the right system, or we don't get the enabling environment, or a problem of our mind. Me, I believe saying a problem of the mind.
Of the mind. What's wrong with the mind?
The mind from the leaders. Because you remember the story of our National Assembly, where they say they passed bill to stop them from traveling abroad for medical reasons. Okay. One of them come outside talk, say no go fit, risk in life, or that kind of thing. Now, if na normal person talk, if na average Nigerian talk this one, I for feel let them slide. But if somebody with their leadership position, we put you there so that you go make these things work. You now can they tell us say no, you know if you risk your own life.
Risk
say our hospitals know they work.
And they know.
they know, and you know they do anything about them. So now you they fear, make them no stop you from traveling abroad to go seek
then that means not be a problem of the mind now.
Why you ready to spend so much to travel abroad?
And the problem of
why
those
you know if you spend that same money for here?
See, when you say mind they abstract. And the problem of those people, problem of those senators, when they know they work. We get senators who they even represent even here, and we get bad roads. We get senators who they represent here, and we get hospitals when they function. It's not be really a real issue of like the mind, and mind be like saying, I need to see mind. And they see this person who's supposed to represent me. And they still say this like the man way supposed to speak for the betterment of me and my community. But you know they do anything. People don't really lose hope in the system, fine and true. But why they lose hope in the system? Maybe really about the man. Because they don't say, nobody they make effort to make things better. They try to enrich themselves. Yeah. Now those men, they get the money. They're just saying that the rich people, they get richer every day.
And the poor,
they get poorer every day. So when you're in a country like that, people, they think that way. The least way you go for you do now to go find greener pastures. Now to travel out.
My problem with when we say greener pasture. Okay, we'll take this call from David quickly. Hello, David. Good morning.
Hey, Mario, good morning.
Welcome.
Jennifer, morning.
Good morning.
Okay, this issues one at the talk this morning. Very pertinent. And the truth is, if you are looking critically into the whole thing, first we blame the government. Because on their own part, they don't fail to provide the basic amenities which the citizens of this country will definitely benefit from their own part. And our people, the aspect of going out of this country to other countries, we are all in these countries, we hear the histories or stories of what has been happening to them. I believe no matter how bad the system is, if we put our heads together by putting one or two things on ground, go to wash and they work for. People they come out, go to wash place, work for. And somebody will go to scrub wall for like 10 hours, and at the end, 100K at the end of the month. Believe you me, if you go into business, probably selling of pure water and other things, you can make ends meet. So, but the actual problem, the challenge is our government.
Okay.
Government come, government go. The same people. Profession, no nothing. So when people don't see, they're not waiting, then go. Definitely, they will just zoom off. Like, it's a quite challenging issue in this country, Nigeria.
All right, thank you, David. We'll hear from Uche. Uche from Elele. Good morning.
Good morning, Jennifer and Mayawa.
Welcome, Uche.
Yeah. You see, we away from Nigeria here. Our leaders, then they're too bad. And they say the country, they hard or not. So we believe someone will travel outside there, no matter the condition, we go survive. Because the way Nigeria, they turn every day. Both the security and everything, Nigeria, in fact, I don't know what I will classify Nigeria as. So, when I see some of us, we want to leave this country, travel, at least, let we not say that because of the condition of the country. So, 9 is the thing, because our government is too bad. In everything, they know they help us. So, now my contribution.
All right. Thank you, Uche. So the two callers and the points accusing finger give the same person.
Yes.
Same group of people.
The same group of people.
Our leaders.
Our government.
Why they know they do hospitals for us?
Too much money. They get too much money. They don't forget us. They enter inside. They do them welcome party with how many billions? So all of them, they're entitled to at least 1 or 2 billions. But we get bad roads. We get schools when they function.
We get the resources to make
We have a lot of money.
We get the things to make.
We get money.
If they decide they won't cut their income by 50% and they won't use them do road, trust me, in 6 months to 1 year, every road for this country go.
It's very possible. It's very possible. Person go tell you, say, most of them, I ain't get the generator companies. Now I made don't go fix power because they manufacture generators to sell.
Sometimes I sit and they ask myself, why we don't invest for solar energy?
We'll hear from Emmanuel. May Emmanuel tell us why. Emmanuel, good morning. Hello, Emmanuel.
How are you?
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good morning.
You are doing a nice program.
Thank you.
Thank you very
I
much.
want to put my for this talk this morning.
All right, go ahead.
And what I want to talk is say, any man's success not for abroad. If he goes abroad, he will not succeed.
Very true.
If God not destined you to succeed abroad, you will not succeed. It's all about the mind. Some people see the Nigeria here where they make them. Your creativity and idea can make you what you're supposed to become in Nigeria.
Yes.
It's not in abroad. Your success in life is in you. If you are profitable, you can succeed anywhere. Going to abroad is not a guarantee for success. There are a lot of Nigerians that still know the system is bad. But there are some people that are still succeeding despite the system. So going to abroad is not the issue. Create things, have ideas, let your mind be transformed. Look for problem to solve. You can solve the problem, major problem in this country. You will make it.
Okay.
That's my contribution. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Emmanuel. Very important point. You say if you still travel, go about to America, about do anywhere, and if you know what, if you no feel make them, you no go feel make them. Now,
True.
people go tell you, say, Jennifer Maiwa, why they attack the government? What about young people who supposed to use their hands, do business? Hello, if the environment no they comfortable enough, you don't get an enabling environment to do business. I'm sorry. If you say you get the biggest business idea, you no go fly. If you want to do cold room business, for example, and no lights, maybe business, but I get the business. At least give me the list, maybe lights. I go buy the fridge. I go buy the fish. I go put everything inside.
Yeah,
and there's
see,
no
another
lights.
problem, you see, just still on which they talk. You want to do cold room business and then no lights. Ordinarily, we understand, say, from our understanding of entrepreneurship and business-minded people, now to identify problem where challenge they, and then you fix them. If the problem is a problem of lights, let me say business did that place. Why is somebody never reason to invest in solar system?
Invest in solar system.
Lekon, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, Lekon, good morning. Make you speak out.
Hello?
We know they hear
Yes,
you. Yeah,
good
we hear you
morning.
now. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, when I want to talk, you say, this country they will call Nigeria. You will say, yeah, in our country, they like slaves. Then meanwhile, why we not go travel go another country? No, we go do slavery for them there.
No.
You say, when you reach there, you go there okay with the little work where they work, with the salary, with the kind of weather and their standards. So nobody go hungry come back where you go. And nobody no go push sugar for a man to go through them. So that's what I want to put. So anybody who go there, no go hungry come back. But not going to go this Asian country, no.
Okay.
European country, not be the best.
All right, thank you, Lekon. He say Asian countries no good, now European countries now they better. But he say even I no good to me, you travel abroad, go slave. If after a slave way they slave for here.
I feel say it took that one because of say, for example, if they earn 100K a year now, by the time you buy fuel, by the time you pay transport, do all of those things. But if you fall, they say person talks now when you force it, you no say no get money for
I'm
Nigeria.
telling you.
We hear from Tricia. Good morning, Tricia. Hello, Tricia. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. We hear you.
Oh, okay. I want to talk for this matter. If they're going abroad or not going abroad. What I don't like about Nigerians is, when somebody will come and say, I want to take you to so and so, you follow. But if you have somebody who will invite you, either a brother or a cousin, or you get admission into school there, and you go, there is no way you compare staying in Nigeria, to going to that place. Look at, there are a lot of people, in science, manufacturing things. Yeah.
Okay. All right, thank you, Tricia. Thank you. Well, that call, they're too clear, but I understand, say, a lot of people get a lot of things to talk about, the fact a lot of Nigerians, they travel. But I just see this tweet by Donald Trump over the weekend. Say Trump that one man way.
Our Twitter president.
I'm telling you, a president on Twitter. Now, Trump come out, I might just translate how he
Donald Trump, the president of the United States of America.
Yes, of course. He come and say, for all the migrants where they inside, may they no day too comfortable because they are leaving soon. And they try to really get up how you take talk about. He talks say every migrant, especially illegal ones, may they no worry, may not to they get properties, can't they get too much business because you're leaving very soon. That one means say a lot of us when they go there, the place no they too comfortable for us. Yeah. As they go there, they plan how to pursue us come back. Look at South Africa, they kill a lot of us. True. Xenophobic attacks here and there. Yeah. So the only hope now, if we make our place better, if we go make our own small heaven for here in Nigeria, and there's hope, of course.
True. Well, I agree with everything we don't talk. And to all Nigerians, one of my friends give me gist of she did Caribbean, and she talks say, okay, no, not before Caribbean, this one, but I think it's somewhere for India.
Okay.
Sometimes they walk out for road. As black, you they pass, they see them, they cover their nose.
Because they smell. Can you imagine?
But yet, you go to your own country, they hug each other. That peace, that joy alone.
Now, when you say peace and joy, are you sure there's peace in Nigeria? We get joy.
Well, everybody get their,
Nigerians get joy. I know they...
You see this particular discussion, now discussion where we will get part 2 of and then we'll
Are you a happy Nigerian?
We will bring guests, we will follow us discuss this matter, but then we appreciate you when I follow this conversation. We appreciate you when I come out to air on our mind about what we feel about the country. But one thing with me, I believe we say, this Nigeria will feel better if we as Nigerians ready to make them better. Yes, it will start with the leaders, it will start with you, it will start with me. My name is Mayo Adaramola. Tomorrow again, Tuesday edition of the Good Morning Naija Show.
All right, thank you so much to everybody who joined us on top of the show this morning. Thank you so much. We will come back again tomorrow, 8 o'clock to 9:30.